MotorWeek is made possible by Auto Value and Bumper to Bumper, TireRack.com, and Haggerty.
Trying to leave winter to the salt trucks? Our 2025 Kia Carnival Hybrid has been on the move to warmer climes. We've put 7,000 miles on Kia's latest sliding side door multi-purpose vehicle in just 2 months. This hybrid may work with 45 fewer horsepower than the standard V6, but torque output is a stout 271 pound-feet, getting to the front wheels through a 6-speed automatic transmission. And it can spin up the front tires just as easily as the V6. But clearly we've been keeping burnouts to a minimum as fuel economy is on the rise, now 29 miles per gallon.
After logging a lot of early highway miles, this Carnival is now entering its around town daily driver era. So far, the switch from battery power to gas power and then back to battery power has been relatively seamless. There's a quick burst of electric torque, which is just enough to get things rolling from a stop before that gas engine fires up, which has played no small part in boosting our fuel economy.
The MotorWeek app, which includes our latest reviews and feature stories, is now available for mobile devices.